Okay. So I'm going to go to this post. I want to schedule this post. So I'm going to click on it. When it loads, um, now this I created all of this using bulk edits on Canva. So you can just edit, put a particular post, the wordings, they're all different. And I think I already have this scheduled. This is Canva Pro, so you can easily schedule it. I've done the first one, second one, third one. I think I did it up to maybe this one. But now, what I need to do is come to this share button. Then there is a part that says schedule, which is this one. So now I want to schedule something I think I already have something scheduled today. I'm not too sure, but I want to schedule something for today. Now you need to pick the time. Now this time, if you see my screen is saying 9:39. I'm not sure if you see that, but it means that whatever the time says, you want to check your time and see what the difference is. Now, assuming that this particular time is 1 hour forward, and I want to always post this timing because this is for my audience are Africans, those in Nigeria or Africa. So I want to do this around like 7 a.m. in the morning. So it's the first thing they see in the morning. So anyway, I'm gonna put this for like my 2 a.m. is usually like but the 2 a.m. on the 15th is already passed, so it's most likely the 16th your time. So I'm gonna click on next, then select a channel. I already connected most of our social media accounts in here. Let me see, can you connect TikTok? Okay, no. So you can even connect your LinkedIn page or your profile in here. Let me see. Hopefully my password works. Okay, so it's connected. So you can even post directly to LinkedIn here as well. Oh, I already have my LinkedIn connected actually. Okay. Um, then now it's gonna ask you. So I want to post this on Facebook. Now this is where you write your captions. It's going to ask you which of the pages do you want to post. So you're posting one page a day. This page post is just on the 16th, right? I'm gonna. So I want to post. I don't know why it's highlighting all. I want to post, let's say, page 5, how to manage one thing, one thing, one thing. So you click on it, then you click on done. I already have captions, in a Word document that applies to each of these posts. It was generated with ChatGPT. But let me put a random caption like, yeah, just something random. Oops. Okay, so I have to do that again. You can see how I left the screen and it just took me away. So I want to put how to manage your money when you get paid monthly is what I want to post. Schedule. So yeah, clicking out of this just makes you restart it. So make sure you take note of it. Next, I want to put my caption. I want to select the account, Facebook. Now, for my Facebook, I'm not going to put any caption on it because it's a strategy I want to use where my captions will come as comments. So which simply means that every morning, I know exactly when this is going to be posted. I'm going to set a schedule to it where I go in there and put my captions as comments, right? So it's not going to have any caption on this. That's my strategy that I want to use. Then I click on schedule. Or you can actually save draft. So let's say you can save draft, but I will just schedule it. So schedule, this is on the 16th. Yeah, so let's just schedule it.
You did page 1 to 10 or not page 5.
Oh, I didn't correct it. Okay, it's fine. So now when you get to this page, you see Content Planner. You can click on this. It takes you to, and you can actually access this Content Planner without, coming here. You can just go in there. It's one of the apps on Canva. So it says this is already scheduled. Let me see what is down below. Okay, so I did page 1 to 10. Let me see if I can say page 5. I can actually save and schedule again. So you can see that it lets me correct that. Okay. So now I am in here. So this shows you what is scheduled right now. So I have this scheduled on Instagram. I have these two scheduled on Facebook. If you check my Facebook right now, and this is how I prefer it to look like. Let me see if it's in here. So let's see this posts. Now you can see this posts, the power of this is scheduled. You can see how people already started liking it. Now this is how you put your caption as a comment. This is for this case. But in the previous posts, let's see. Okay. Let me go to page itself. The home. I'm looking for all my posts, not my professional dashboard. Yeah, this is just my dashboard. Okay, it's fine. So what I'm looking for is all the posts I already made. It might be in my photos, or this is posts. Okay, actually it's down here. Yeah, okay, good. So now this one I did, this is how to start saving even if you only to. This is how I want comments to be. You can see we have 12 comments here, right? So you go to the comments. So this drives traffic, drives activities. Now this is how to, and I think they gave me about 5 um points. I pasted the first point as one comment. I pasted another point as another comment. Don't go and paste all the points, right, together. If it has a point, paste it as individual comment. You can see that I did say comment start if you're beginning your savings journey today, and people started commenting stats. Now, when they comment, you have to go in there and reply. Don't just leave your comments. I say, congratulations, you're on the right track there. Just do your random comments. I need this page to be very active, so that's the strategy I'm using. For this other one, because what it's telling me is not bullet point, I just made it one comment. It's not listing anything for me, right? It's how the power of compound explained simply. It's just if you do this, this is one sentence. I just put it all together. I'm not going to list it the way I listed the first one. So do you understand how I did that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So back to this. Now, for now, I might just want to focus on Facebook, but the idea is easy editing, like easy scheduling. So you can come here and let's see this. I think you can make a copy, I believe. So make a copy of these same posts and post it on and schedule it for what's it called? Instagram, right? You can just see how it was easy to just get it back on Instagram. The same caption, the same everything, and I publish. Because this is a past, I want to change this. So I'm going to post this today on Instagram. But the only reason I'm not going to post this is because if I do this on Instagram, I have to go into Instagram and manually start typing it in the comments. But actually, for Instagram, what we can do is For Instagram posts, you can um put the actual caption, all the captions in here. Because this Instagram is like personal Instagram and you will not have access to it. So you can put the actual caption in there. Do you understand? I'm gonna give you the captions.
Okay.
Then you just save and schedule. So I'm just maybe do this as drafts. So I have this, I have about 49 of this. I want it all scheduled, one every day, one for Instagram, one for um Facebook. Then, so one of the things that will happen is I'm going to run ads on some of them, not all. I need traffic. Then for this one, this is another post that needs to happen. Um, so this is a post. So with this post, I'm going to give you um like the things to say in here. Everything will remain the same. So what you need to do is, this is just an extra tutorial. I'm going to go to Bulk. I think it's called Bulk Crate. If you don't know where it is, you can go to your app and type it here. Bulk Crate. Hopefully it's here. So like create a bulk, whatever this is. Oh, sorry, bulk crate. This is it, right? So bulk crate. So when you click on it, now it's going to tell you to enter. Now this is where I want to fill. It's going to tell you to enter data manually, or just type a sheet. So I'm going to upload. Actually, I'm going to enter my data manually. Now, because I don't need this line, I only want one line to be filled. I'm going to delete this column. So let's say I'm going to say, I want to put in that text, you are wonderful. Double click. You are pretty. So let's say this is a motivational word I want to use. Now I'm going to come down here and click on done when you have all your text written down. Now this is going to tell me, if you come here, you're going to see this thing that says connect data. So I'm going to connect this data. And what data do I want to connect? This one, right? Then just click on continue. So because I only have one data, click on continue. So let's see. Then it says generate to design, right? So I'm going to click on generate to design. So you can generate 100 design, 50 design, depending on what you have in there. So it says design will be created, view design. So this was created in another part. So you can see that it changed the middle word to what I put in there, right? So this is how to duplicate. So I can post this as a regular post for one day. So now you come in here and schedule this as well. So you schedule this both on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. So it goes on the 3 platform. So we're going to have one of these in a day and the other one in another day. The captions I will provide for you most likely. Okay. All right. So that is the tutorial on how to bulk crate and how to schedule on Canva. I will stop sharing now.